Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 11 Pro mobile phone. Please review the description for the required repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, gently work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time. Once the screen is free, open it to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove the main battery connector shield by undoing two screws. Next, remove the LCD and earpiece assembly connector shield by removing 6 screws. Handle the cables carefully on this process. Next, disconnect the main battery connector plug. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and digitizer connector plugs. And then unplug the sensor assembly plug from the logic board. And now you can free the screen from the body. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, remove the shield on the charging port connector flex by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the 2 charging port connector plugs from the logic board. Next, remove the battery adhesive strips. There are 3 in total, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one on L shape on the side. Gently peel and extract them using your fingers or pair of tweezers. Please note that the number of sticky tabs may change depending on the phone's repair history. This process takes time. Work slowly and hold the phone firmly while removing the adhesive. Before removing the bottom adhesive, first remove the shield on top of the charging port connector by undoing 4 screws. Next, remove the Taptic engine by disconnecting the plug and undoing 3 screws. Next, start peeling and extracting the bottom adhesive. Also, do not forget to disconnect the secondary battery connector plug. If you have accidentally damaged the sticky tabs, gently use a pry tool to lift the battery from the body. Next, remove the faulty battery and clean the surface. Next, align the new battery and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the secondary battery connector plug. Next, secure the Taptic engine by connecting the plug and inserting 3 screws. Next, place the shield by adding 4 screws. Next, connect both charge input plugs to the board. Next, secure the side shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the digitizer plug. Then, secure the display plug and sensor assembly plug to the logic board. Once they are secured in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 6 screws and the battery shield by adding 2 screws. Next, install the screen. Start by aligning the top edge with the frame. Then gently press it into place. Work along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely. Apply even pressure around the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.